Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Slides tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to set portrait mode in Google Slides. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Google Slides and as we can see this presentation is in landscape mode. To set the portrait mode in Google Slides I go to File and Page Setup. Here I now have various options. In addition to the standard setting 4:3, I also have the options for widescreen 16:9 and 16:10. But to set the portrait format I go to Custom and here I set my new format in inches. If you want to display centimeters or pixel, for example, you can change this by using the drop-down menu. We now take a portrait format of 3:4 and click on Apply. And as we can see our presentation is now displayed in portrait mode. This format will be applied to all slides. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.